How to buy King token. So this token came under the symbol of K, I, and Q. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account, as you can see, and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, for example, this post, they write that we keep our promise, will be the biggest meme of 2025, and XT Exchange is just one of the doors to the world for us. As you can see, xt.com, the exchange platform, will list this token soon. And after that, they include their Telegram channel and CoinGisco page. Now go and check their X account and keep following their updates about this token and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now to be able to buy this token, open it on CoinGisco. As you can see, now open their website from here. After that, you will be redirected to that website. Make sure to check all of the info here before going and buy this token. As you can see, now if you are ready to go, just go, and you have two options. The first option is to go in on xt.com. They include this post in their X account. After you click on that link, you will be redirected to xt.com platform exchange or XT support, the announcement on the upcoming listing of a king. So they will list it soon, as they mention in their X account. As you can see, the website, the blockchain, the white paper link, so all the information you will find it on this page. And if you want to buy it with your wallet, so you need to download this wallet called the Xverse Rewind. Yes, so download it and find some money on it, and after that find the token and buy it from there. Now the second option is using this decentralized exchange platform called the name is Velar. It's like PancakeSwap and Uniswap. So here you connect your wallet. So as you can see, download one of these. For example, I mentioned before this Xverse. So if you download it, just click on it and connect it to this decentralized exchange platform. And here, just select the token from here. As you can see, you can select I guess they have different tokens. So if I type USDT, so I can't find. So they use their own. They use the different tokens here. So after that, just type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, you will see here the dollar that's equal to that amount you enter. So after that, you will see here how much you will receive, and after that, just connect your wallet. Make sure to read all of that information, and if you are ready to go, just go click on buy and you will buy this token. So this is how to buy King token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.